And welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing a quick and easy rice and peas recipe. We'll be using the canned peas, the canned coconut milk, and this is going to be very simple. To get started, here I have some thyme, green onions, long grain basmati rice. I'll be using the canned pigeon peas and some canned coconut milk. I have habanero peppers, minced garlic, some butter, pimento berries, black pepper, garlic salt, and all-purpose seasoning. In a medium-sized pot, I will now add the peas. I did use the liquid from inside of the can to add extra flavor to the rice since we did not boil the peas from scratch. I'll add some water and some coconut milk. We will also add our green onions, thyme. We'll add the garlic, our seasonings. Basically, we're adding everything except the rice and the butter. We will wash the rice while this comes up to a boil. Next, we'll add our rice, give it a good mix. Then we will add our habanero peppers. We will cover this. We will set the heat to low and allow this to cook until all the liquid evaporates. Now, once you have the perfect rice to liquid ratio, once all the liquid evaporates, you should have the perfectly cooked rice. The only way your rice won't be perfectly cooked is if your liquid to rice ratio is not right. After about 12 to 15 minutes, this is what the rice is looking like. Now we will place the butter right in the middle. We'll also place a piece of foil wrap over our pot just to trap all that heat, and we will let this go for about 5 more minutes so that butter melts. And after about 20 minutes in total, our rice and peas is finally done. You want to go in there and fluff the rice up, because as you can see, all that peas is settled over top, and you want to distribute everything evenly, so you have to go in there and stir it up. But I would wait a bit until the rice is cooled down so that when you fluff it up, it is nice and fluffy, just like this. So I did serve my rice and peas up with some delicious oxtails and fried ripe plantains. This can be served with almost anything. It's the perfect side dish, and I hope you guys give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy!